Hi. For my finals graphics project, I decided to implement billboards to create a fire particle effect. And my main two goals for this project was to be able to implement it using WebGL, and the second one is to be able to implement the billboarding technique to generate my fire particles effect to solve a specific problem. First of all, this image that I have here is a texture mapping that I got online, and it essentially is just 16 stages of fire. And this is what I'll use to randomly generate my fire. And so just to demonstrate a problem that I'm trying to solve is, so this is what my fire particle would look like without any special technique being applied to it. And it looks normal, it looks like a fire. I painted one green and one red. However, if you start rotating the camera just a little bit, you can start seeing that it looks really weird from the side. And this is because my fire particles are essentially squares made up of two triangles, and those triangles face the user. But in this case, it was the original position that the camera was in. And so as I start rotating it, I start looking at those squares from the side or from the top, and I start seeing it as a 2D shape. And that's not what I want. And so in order to solve this, we can take a look at my vertex shader. So looking specifically on line 24, if the user has enabled billboarding, I calculate the camera's up and right angle, and based on those two angles, I can determine like how far the camera has shifted from where it started, and then I use that with the billboard's position and size, and then realign each billboard so that it is on the same plane that the camera now faces. And so as we move the camera, each particle is being realigned to face the camera directly. And just to demonstrate what that will look like if we enable billboarding, if you look at it head-on, it looks still normal, but as we rotate, we can see that we don't have that odd-looking image that we had earlier. And this is because as we're turning, each billboard is also kind of realigning itself to be on the same plane as the camera. And that concludes my finals graphics project. Thank you.